हेलो बड़े दिनों के बाद डूइंग एन इंस्टा लाइव बिकॉज I have finally some time today. Hi Rohit. Hi Nirvan Ravi. Engineer Ehsan. Amin Khan. Parik Abdullah. Amin Khan. Rana Sufyan. Prince Fahad Khan. Muzammil Kakar. C. Shahana. Waleed XD, Sameer Hassan, Ali Hamza, Siti Gemini 83, Walaikum Salam. Right, so what am I doing today? I'm having excessive cups of coffee as usual, and I messed up a couple of the meeting times, and as usual, you know, it's always important to have somebody जिसको आप blame कर सकें. गलती अपनी हो लेकिन blame कर सकें. So I was like, बिलाल तुमने मुझे गलत time बताया, but actually the time was not 1 p.m. So here I am because I have a cancellation because I messed up. I can't read my diary properly. So we have a few minutes, 15 minutes or so. क्या बात करनी है? I want to talk to you about things that you hate or that you cannot tolerate. आदतें लोगों में, they could be आदतें लोगों में, they could be like, you know, little things that people do, not आदतें as such. For example, I hate it जब लोग बड़ी वो बोलते हैं you know बहुत what are the things, the top things that I hate. So the top things on my list that I hate are liars. I cannot tolerate people नज़दीक आ जाए okay, because I can't, it'll make my life a bit easier if I can read to you like that. Yeah, so I hate liars. And बड़े झूठ की तो तुक बनती है, well I mean तुक तो नहीं बनती, लेकिन वो कोई डाका मारा हो, कुछ चोरी की हो, बट ये जो छोटे 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 लोग झूठ बोलते हैं, it just irritates me क्योंकि they're so easy to catch. And when you tell the liars कि आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं, पकड़ ले चोरी कि नहीं, you know, are you sure ये तुमने बनाया है? like, या मैंने बनाया है, बेकरी से उठा के लेके आए हो और कह रहे हो जी मैंने बनाया. And I just can't understand why people have to lie. And for me that is an instant block. बड़े झूठे भी और छोटे झूठे भी सारे. So I cannot tolerate liars. That's one trait that really gets on my nerves. What gets on your nerves? Hello, Umar Luqmani. ये तो मेरा कोई रिश्तेदार है, Umar Luqmani. When you marry with Shehbaz Garib, I have no intention of marrying Shehbaz Garib or Shehbaz Amir because I believe he's very happily married and he's बुजुर्ग है हमारे बड़े भाई हैं, बड़े you know. Anyway, no सियासत है. Hassan 4725. काश आप कभी कराची के लिए वो आवाज़ उठाएंगे. और भाई कराची के लिए हम कब से आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं. अब सैडली या आई सपोज मेरी खुशनसीबी है कि आजकल कराची की बारिशों में मैं कराची में नहीं हूँ, बट कराची के लिए क्यों आवाज़ नहीं उठाऊंगी. आप कोई पराए तो नहीं हो, मैं तो आप लोगों में कोई तफरीक नहीं करती. कराची में जो बारिशों के बाद जो मैं एक्चुअली हमेशा से बड़ा प्रॉब्लम रहा है मुझे कि ये जो गटर्स और सूरेज की जो प्रॉब्लम्स है हमारे मुल्क में, जब भी पानी भर आता है, you know, and the sewage spills over, it's just disgusting and gross, and I've been watching it for ages. इस साल तो I mean लाहौर की भी बड़ी बुरी हालत थी इस साल, पेशावर की भी बड़ी बुरी हालत थी. So I don't know why that is, and well I know why it is because there is no planning in our cities. And I think अगर कोई भी long term planning करके सोचे तो ये problems ना हो, but nobody cares, to be honest. Let's not talk politics, let's talk about things. आज आपसे सवाल किया है मैंने, आपको क्या चीज़ें आदत सबसे बुरी लगती हैं अपने दोस्तों की, घर वालों की, maybe people that you fancy. What are the things that you absolutely hate or find it very difficult to tolerate? So that's what I want to know today. And Nabil Khan says zindagi hai masra wado ka. Okay, so that was Pashto. I read it as wada as in Urdu. Okay, तासर वादा ज़िंदक़ौम. ज़ीशान अली 41. मेरा नाम नहीं ले रही आप, ले लिया. अब्बासी मिस कमिटमेंट क्या होती है, यानी कमिटमेंट करके, you know those friends, I know what you mean, कि मैं मेरी जान अब भी पहुंच रहा हूँ. संगी को कहते हैं मैं अभी निकल रहा हूँ, और एक्चुअली घर से भी नहीं निकले होते हैं, 6 महीने के लिए फिर गायब हो जाते हैं. सो या दैट्स वेरी कॉमन. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट, यू नो. जो इंसान, अ मैन हु कैन नॉट कीप हिज वर्ड इज डेफिनेटली नॉट वर्थ नोइंग. साफ 1064, thank you. Ahmed Faraz, thank you very much. Virgo Variety, what a name. Virgo. ड्रंक होके मुझे गालियां देने लग जाता है, वो बड़ा बुरा लगता है, और जब सुबह सॉरी करता है तो फिर अच्छा लगता है. फ्रेंड ही है, बेस्ट फ्रेंड ही है, या ये तो कोई हस्बैंड टाइप मटेरियल लगता है. ऐसे हस्बैंड्स करते होते हैं कि यू नो रात को मार मार के और सुबह यू नो से सॉरी मैं ड्रंक था. रणविजय, हेलो. जीशान अली, मैम मुझे कॉल करें क्यों. डॉक्टर सानिया, सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड फ्रेंड्स. सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड फ्रेंड, या आई सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड फ्रेंड्स यानी डोले जो अपने चेक करते रहते हैं शीशों में, एंड लड़कियों में भी मेरे बाल ठीक है, मेरे बाल ठीक है. दैट्स वेरी इरिटेटिंग, यू नो. ये यू नो दैट continuously. And you know, self-obsessed friends, when you go out with them, like you know, you go out to have a brownie खाने के लिए आए, लेकिन वो ब्राउनी में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है. इर्द गिर्द जितने लोग, कौन मुझे देख रहा है, मैं कैसे बैठी हुई हूँ, मैं ऐसे. एंड आजकल लड़कों में भी बहुत है कि देर सो सेल्फ कॉन्शियस, ऐसे करके बैठ जाते हैं, एंड देन देर लाइक यू नो प्रिंस बन के बैठ जाते हैं. अब मुझे देखो, आई यू नो चिल मैन, यू नो. हेलो बाजी, प्रिंस फहद खान. राना सुफियान, कॉल. आज कॉल का टाइम है. अल्लाह आपको से सलामत रखना. ओह दैट्स स्वीट, थैंक यू फहद. नासिर मुश्ताक, हाउ हाय. एंड ये क्या हो गया. नो कैंसिल. नासिर मुश्ताक 52, हेलो. आई हेट दैट पॉलिटिक्स विच विल प्ले विद समवन्स फ्यूनरल. डोंट गेट हर्ट्स, आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू. यानी आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट कॉमेंट. What's your name? Surav Jabin. Politics that plays with. Got a heart here. I don't know where that come from. I must have touched something. Have I touched something on Insta that I have this now? How do I get rid of it? How did I get this heart here? मैंने किस चीज को हाथ लगाया है that has there. Discovering new things on Insta. Live on Insta, I'm discovering Insta की चीजें. Right. Omar Lakhmani, I'm very well, thank you. Ishtiaq Bajwa official, hi. Can you please Vam's time? It's a bet and let me win. No, sweetheart. No fetishes here. Go on another timeline. ऐसे भी मैं गैम्बलिंग के और सट्टेबाजी के सख्त खिलाफ हूँ. गैम्बलिंग हराम है, बेटिंग हराम है. Right, what were we saying? Ishtiaq Bajwa official and Zishan Ali. मेकअप क्यों इतना किया हुआ है आपने? आप तो वैसे भी खूबसूरत हैं. बताया है कि आई हैड अ कमिटमेंट. आई थॉट कि 1 बजे है और वो मुझे पता चला कि 6 बजे है, तो फिर मेकअप का मैंने सोचा इस्तेमाल कर लूँ. लेकिन आई ट्राइड अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मेकअप टुडे. वेल नॉट मी, आई हैवंट ट्राइड इट, बट समबडी हैज ट्राइड इट फॉर मी. एंड for some reason I thought it was at 1 p.m. because I have a very very busy day, and मेरे दिमाग में 1 p.m. I try to get this kind of work out early on in the day, and for some reason it was actually from 4 p.m. onwards, and I have another meeting at 2 p.m. but yeah, so मैंने सोचा आपके ऊपर मेकअप इस्तेमाल हो जाए. Thank you Khetran, I'm very well. I'm your cousin from India. हैं उमर लखमानी? I'm your cousin from Buffa. Sorry, दो comments mix करके. Of course, Umar, you must be my cousin from Buffa. You must be my cousin. Luqmani, though, you are my family. I'm sure. But किस मामे के बेटे हैं? There's a lovely. I've written in detail about Buffa and about my family and my dadi. She was a right character, and a lot of people in my family say कि I am like my dadi. What my mom used to say, especially जब उनको गुस्सा आता था, तो I suppose she used to say कि सास की तरह, you know, she'd say my dadi's name. But yeah, it's an honor to be compared to her. And so, you know, she had lots of bhai, like the whole gaon was like a brother to her. एंड मैं जब बफ़ा जाती हूँ या बफ़ा ना भी हो कहीं और भी हूँ तो देर से कि एंड आई recognize अच्छा इब्राहिम मामा अच्छा इसाक मामा and it's really lovely because I've grown up listening to these stories, but of course I wasn't in Pakistan, so I didn't really see them. I started looking at Bafa or exploring Bafa sadly after my father's death, and that's sad, because I would have liked to have explored Bafa. But I have some memories when I was very young, I suppose 3 or 4 years old, maybe even 5 years old or something like that, when my Dadaji died, when my Abaji died. So मेरी स्किन प्रोडक्ट्स ना पूछें साफ 1064 because I'm dreadful with skin products. आजकल my skin is behaving itself, and it's behaving because of coffee. No, that's not true. It's behaving because of lots of water actually, and I'm exercising very regularly now. And I'm not exercising, I've never exercised in my life, लेकिन कुछ थोड़ा सा मैंने वेट ट्रेनिंग करना शुरू किया है, थोड़ा सा मैंने भी सोचा डोले बनाए. इट्स बिकॉज आई हैव एन इंजरी दैट नीडेड टू गेट बेटर, एंड आई थिंक माई डाइट हैज़ इम्प्रूव्ड. आई एम स्लीपिंग अ लॉट बेटर देन आई यूज्ड टू. आई डिडंट, पाकिस्तान में माई स्लीप वॉज really really messed up. I think I'm just happy, and I've for the last couple of years I've been very it's been a good life, and so I think that reflects on my skin. Pakistan mein my sleep patterns were very messed up, and that I think really affects 6-7 घंटे की नींद ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी ज़रूरी है. शायद मुझे यूके का पानी सूट भी करता है, some people say that, but my skin and my hair improves. Everybody says that about England. I don't know why that is. Lekin skin products I don't use a lot because I have very oily skin. So if I use anything जो कि बहुत expensive skin care product हो, particularly anti-aging type, तो वो एकदम I get, and I've been live on Insta showing कि वो मुझे acne निकल आई है because of a good skin product. So all I do is wash my face. I don't keep makeup on my face for longer than an hour if there's an interview, but generally less than that. I hate the feel of makeup, and so I just use a face wash, a very mild face wash, nothing too harsh at all, bilkul like a cucumber face wash, and that's it. I don't use any moisturizer. I don't use any under eye cream because I find that I get spots with it. I don't use any I tried a serum which was a disaster. And a few years ago I used to use like light serums, but now I don't use anything anymore. I just use face wash, and I don't have a moisturizer that I could tell you. And just before I go putting makeup on, like if I put foundation on, which is not very frequently, I put on a little bit of a sort of, not a primer, it's not even a primer because primer se bhi mujhko daane nikalta hai. The really good primer, people really love the, I think it's Urban Decay ka hai, nahi, Benefit का है. Are they both the same thing? I don't know. Benefit का है primer. वो कभी कभी अगर कहीं event वगैरह पे जाना हो तो मैं लगाती थी, and that gives me problems, but it's very good because the girls use it, my daughters use it, and they're very happy, but they don't have as oily skin as I am. So I have to be very careful. You can maybe see that I've had a little bit of a spot a few days ago, which is going away, but I think I've just improved my diet. I eat a lot of nuts now. पाकिस्तान में बिलाल मुझे खाने नहीं देता था, गिनता था, तो मैं I eat a lot of nuts. I have a very high protein diet, and I have a lot of pani with it, which I never used to do. So I think it's that, and like I said, exercise is a great idea. I love skipping. I'm not very good, but I do like skipping because I don't like running very much. So skipping is good, and that's it. So the only tip I would give people is that natural cheeseं are very good. Like olive oil is very good. If my skin is very dry, which it hardly ever is, so I mix olive oil, pure extra virgin, very superior quality olive oil, which is zaitun ka tel, and mix a little bit मैंने क्या किया है? I spilled chocolate on me? What's this? What have I done? Stain my clothes. Right. आपने कभी ड्रिंक की है जीशान अली? No. I am very anti-alcohol because I believe, well, I don't believe, it's true, it's a drug. So I am very, nobody in my house drinks. No alcohol is, it's not a ban, it's just that we don't like to. My kids don't, I don't, my siblings don't, behan bhai, maa baap. It's not, it was just never a part of our life. And we are very disciplined when it comes to drinking or smoking or any kind of drugs. So yeah, so far it's just a drug. It's socially acceptable, like a drug. So it's I'm very against it. Sorry. I hate to be drunk. Yes, I hate people who get drunk. I mean, I don't hate people who get drunk, but I don't like. I generally avoid people who or occasions जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा drinking हो, because it's just that उनको समझ नहीं आ रही होती बात, and I find it boring. I find it a boring thing to be around drunk people, because I like talking and you can't talk to a drunk person. बाजी मड़ा सारा खबरों का खजामा द प्रिंस फात खान द रोमन के पुख्तों विज टूल गड़बड़ लिखले दे बिल्कुल कोई नशम. इंडिया कब आ रही हैं आप? यार वीज़ा कभी मिलेगा तो फिर. मैंने वैसे अप्लाई नहीं किया. गिलगित की तरफ दोबारा चक्कर नहीं लगा रही अवैस अहमद? गिलगित की तरफ, पाकिस्तान की तरफ तो पहले चक्कर लगाएं. मैम बेल्जियम कब आ रही है? भाई आज तो हमारे तो ट्रैवल का थोड़ा सा इशू हुआ हुआ है. आई डोंट नो रिज आर यू फॉलोइंग और नॉट, बट वी हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एन we have an issue with our क्या कहते हैं इसको, with our travel ban, not a travel ban, but ये this thing about quarantine वगैरह. That's the issue. So I think that's going to be, I'm going to get into trouble. Hold on a second. Right, because I've spilled some coffee. Okay. Love from Kashmir. Thank you, Shaukat. That's very sweet. Asad Gujjar, hi. Asad Habib, thank you. Come India and taste different dosa. Oh my God. Yes, I'm in love with dosas. मुझे कभी डोसा कभी किसी ने क्यों नहीं खिलाया. And you know what dosa I like? The crispy rice dosa. I'm like totally in love with it. And I'm gonna have dosa in a little while. I love the crispy dosa, and I'm actually making them myself and doing a really good job. Thank you to all जिन्होंने मुझे dosa maker, because I didn't have a dosa spreader or a dosa maker, so I was struggling. लेकिन I got a soup ladle जिसमें वो सुराख हैं. What am I doing with this coffee today? God. वो उससे बड़ा अच्छा बना. Lekin you have to be very quick with it, and I made some very crispy dosas. But I, of course, didn't eat it with the gunpowder sauce you're supposed to have it with, because I don't like chili too much. But I think it's quite healthy also, because yeah, I don't know. मैंने सांबर मैंने बहुत दफ़ा लोगों के घर में भी पका हुआ देखा है, खाया है काफ़ी जगह. I don't particularly like it because my friends happen to be Sri Lankan, तो उनका जो सांबर होता है या जो साउथ इंडियन घरों में भी होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा, उसमें मिर्च बहुत ज़्यादा होती है और मैं मिर्च नहीं खा सकती ज़्यादा. I don't like मिर्च very much. I can't tolerate it. तो उसमें वो तैर रही होती है मिर्चें. But I do like the concept, and I think with dosa it might, crisp dosa के साथ maybe sambar will taste. But I don't know why I was never served dosas anywhere. And I spent my life in England also around Indians and South Indians. Maybe I never made a South Indian friend who could make good dosas. So I don't understand. And the only time I've been to India, I've been to Delhi. So the food there is very Muslim. It's North Indian food. So yeah. But now I found this place in apparently Croydon, jiski dosa is supposed to be very good. It's called Chennai dosa, I think. So a friend of mine has promised me कि वहाँ जाके आप वहाँ बैठ के खाओ crispy dosa. So I'm going to, but I'm still observing lockdown. हम घर से नहीं निकल रहे, मतलब घर से इन द सेंस कि हम शॉपिंग मॉल्स नहीं जा रहे, हम रेस्टोरेंट्स नहीं जा रहे, हम ना मैं और ना मेरे बच्चे. एंड आई थिंक वी कांट बी टू केयरफुल बिकॉज आज ही यूके में तो कम से कम इन्होंने कहा है कि अब वो जो 7 दिन की सेल्फ आइसोलेशन थी वो 10 दिन की उन्होंने कह दिया, विच वी न्यू ऑल द टाइम, बट आई डोंट नो, ये देयर लिटिल बिट स्लो. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद दीज गवर्नमेंट्स. Malak Abbas, hi. No, you can't win your bet, Vams, this time. Asad Gujar, I'm very well. Surav Jabin, I have extremely dry hair. Yeah, you're absolutely right. And the problem is that I'm not very good with hair care. And the only solution is because, straightening बहुत ज़्यादा होती है बालों की. And then I love swimming. And so I think chlorine and sun and that really damages my hair. और आजकल तो लॉकडाउन की वजह से the hair is a bit of a problem because you can't get sort of, I need a lot of hair care on a regular basis and I never make time. I'm really dreadful when it comes to facials karana or hair treatments karana, and I really should have some sort of like protein kind of treatment for the hair. And I think hair coloring also is very damaging. So because I used to have hair coloring regularly, अब बल्कि I don't get my hair colored that regularly, but it's already sort of damaged. So थोड़े से के बाद I think it looks more dry than actually it is. But yeah, well pointed out. I'm really in a clumsy mood today. I've broken a few things already this morning. Rana, Sweden. S. Rana, thumbs up to you too. Come to Sindh. Inshallah Tawfiq I will. Muhammad Khalid, hello. Amit B. Adab to you too. Taslimat. Jilani Azad. Thank you. Engineer Kadir. Farooq Hayat. UAE. Bafa, Bilkul Umar, definitely Bafa. I want to make, the area called Zangoon. I want to live there. I would love to just live there, have a little cottage with like, apni rice field ho or such a beautiful view. I would love to do that, yeah, one day. 2 या 3 महीने से आपका इंतजार कर रहा हूँ, हैं क्यों? When are you making videos on your paintings, ma'am? Shaukat Prasad, waiting to see them. My paintings are not so good. They're like, I'm just like a kid playing with colors, so I feel a bit kind of embarrassed about my painting, but I love painting. Actually, every single time I get a little bit of chance, and I've improved a little bit. I must, but जैसे मैं improve करती जा रही हूँ, अभी मुझे ज़्यादा गलतियाँ नज़र आ रही हैं. So, painting is the only thing that I do for myself. That makes no money. It's not for the world. It's just when I want to stop thinking about politics and things like that. That's when I go paint. It's my only time where I can switch off, and this is the only thing that I've done in all my life. Jahan I don't want to be rated for my ability. I was brought up in a household जहाँ हर चीज़ perfection से करनी चाहिए, and a lot of people get irritated कि अच्छा ये भी कर रही है वो भी कर रही है, but we were brought up in a household जहाँ मेरी वालदा का शौक था कि मैं सब काम सीखूं और सब काम perfectly करूं. So this is my chance of like just playing around with colors and just being not so good, and it's not for the world to see. It's not like it's just for me. It's just for me, and my kids are loving it. Actually, I've got quite a lot of orders from my kids, but it's just a way of my expression of my inner self, and it's just a time to just be completely cut off from the world, and I just love that. So I don't really think I'm good enough to give a tutorial, or there's a little part of my life that I want to share with the public. Not every bit of my life I don't want to share. कुछ चीज़ों पे आपका हक बनता है, and you can ask me questions as well, but inherently I come from a family which is extremely private. हम लोग वो लोग हैं जो कि ज़्यादा घुलते मिलते भी नहीं हैं, socialize नहीं करते, and so it's already been a huge jump. Like a lot of people say to me कि ये बताएं वो बताएं, अफ्तारी कैसे करते हैं, ईद कैसे करते हैं, but my kids are even worse than me. वो तो बिल्कुल ही they don't want, and you can notice कि they don't use their Instagrams, but delete कर दिया उन्होंने social media, and they just want their privacy. I give you a little bit of myself, the bit that I can afford to, but you know, some things are just for your own self. So I hope you appreciate that. मुझे बिल्कुल गुस्सा आता है जब आपको कोई comments करता है, मैं क्या करूँ नबील खान. मैं miss you, thank you. Raheel 4191, I'm very well, thank you. मैंने आपसे पूछा कि आपको किस चीज से नफरत है. मेरी बातों का जवाब नहीं. You have exactly 5 minutes left. किस चीज से इरिटेट होता है? जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि मुझे झूठ से सख्त नफरत है. छोटी छोटी बातों में आई थिंक आई हेट यू नो, जब कोई साथ बैठ के फ्रूट खाता है, उफ, आई कैन नॉट टॉलरेट इट. एंड पर्टिकुलरली स्मेली फ्रूट, लाइक I can't explain. I get really disgusted, grossed out by कोई केला आपके साथ बैठ के छील के और खाए, and then you can hear them like masticating sound. Oh, you want to just, I can't tolerate it. I can't tolerate the smell, and I can't tolerate the आवाज़. वैसे भी मुझे लोगों के साथ बैठ के, like, you know, लोग जब खाते हैं टिप टप की आवाज़, या that's really really annoying. But smelly fruit, particularly आप काम कर रहे हो, say for example you're in an office, or you know, people should be a bit careful about eating smelly things in front of or near people. Sardar Ahad, thank you. Do you read comments on your pics? Dr. Sanya 78690. Sometimes I have a filter mechanism. So जितने अच्छे comments होते हैं वो मुझे भेज देते हैं. I can't read obviously all comments on my pictures, but sometimes जैसे if I post a question like dosas वगैरह के बारे में, तो I remember this lovely lady from somewhere, Shehnaz, I think her name was. So I did see her comment. Nikhil Sharma, hello. Tauz Tareen, hello. Sunil Pashtun, less is more. Yes, always. Khalid Javed, yes, I just told you I have a couple of interviews lined up. I'm going in for that. Surav Jabeen, which makeup do you like to use on your face? I use NARS. I like NARS. NARS foundation. I think that the setting powder is also NARS. And I use what is it called? Urban Decay. Eyeshadows are Urban Decay, and I think MAC का eyeliner है और Urban Decay का mascara होता है. I have done a makeup tutorial actually somewhere. I'll find it and post it. Missing the painting in the background. Happy Eid in advance. वहाँ पे कुछ चल रहा है in that room, so I couldn't getting some work done. I'm having a new door put in. That's why. Thank you. Mashallah, good. Ehtisham Haq. Acha bhai, you guys are very very amazing. You don't hate anything, so that's quite good. Tell me about Eid. Ahmed Faraz. Eid is going to be without any hugs this time, like last Eid also. And Eid is going to be without, you know, the Hajj. कल मैंने video देखा Hajj का. It made me really emotional. You know, and one doesn't realize जब चीज़ें सब ठीक ठाक होती हैं, इंसान को अपनी नेमतों का अंदाज़ा ही नहीं होता. You know, you take it for granted, and the fact कि वो 10,000 लोग, 10,000 तो लग ही नहीं रहे थे. It was still nice to see it, but it was scary and quite it made me very emotional. And so I thought कि हमें इस्तग़फ़ार ज़्यादा करना चाहिए. हमें किसी गुनाहों की सज़ा मिल रही है जो पूरी दुनिया में कोरोना आए. आई थिंक इतनी नाइंसाफ़ी है दुनिया में. इट्स नॉट, वी नीड टू क्लीन अप आवर एक्ट ऑब्वियसली. सो इट्स अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ हज. वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग ईद टुमारो. ऑफ कोर्स पाकिस्तान में 1st को होगी, लेकिन कल है ना हमारी ईद 31st को इंशाल्लाह आई थिंक है. और सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी क्वाइट ईद. बारबेक्यू होगा. साहिर एंड आई गोइंग टू बारबेक्यू. यू नो, उसको बस गोश्त मिल जाए, दैट इज ईद. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी डूइंग. आई विल डेफिनेटली कुक tomorrow. I tend to make a leg of lamb or something like that, a shoulder of lamb. But yeah, so that's all. कोई कपड़े छपड़े नहीं आए इस दफ़ा ईद पे. there's no point because we're not really going anywhere or so. And so पाकिस्तान में मैंने सबको कहा है कि घर पे बैठें. Vela Kashmiri, hi. Rizwan Mushtaq, why you are always... No, I'm not. Not always. I'm talking about what you hate. I'm talking about makeup. Tawfiq 20, come to Sindh Dharti on my invitation. Inshallah, Tawfiq. Sindh is like my second home. I love it. Ever you smoke? No, Atacham, I've never smoked. And I cannot stand smoking and smoker breath. वकास मोहम्मद का जब क्या सवाल था आपका वकास अहमद? मोहम्मद नकीब खान है जो कॉल पर भी होते थे. तैमूर शेखू, हे तैमूर, वालेकुम सलाम. शिकारी जालिम वन, हाय. ओके, शिकारी जालिम. वसीम कुरैशी बहावलपुर, हाय. Bahawalpur I really love. I love the mahal there. Introvert Alpha, hi. Okay. Shaukat Prasad, waiting to see a video on your painting collection, ma'am. Happy, thank you. I'm from Medina, Prince Fahad Khan. Oh, inshallah. देखें दुआ करें कि मदीना आने का. रोशन प्रतीक, क्या रोशन प्रतीक? It's a matter of their choice. It's a personal choice. You can't enforce your opinions on others, right? You should never enforce your opinions on others. Absolutely, Pradeep. Okay, love from India. Arman Nawaz, hi. Prince Fahad, जाएं जाके नमाज पढ़े. Mohammad Naqib Khan, Chiraj से. Yes, Mohammad Naqib Khan. I remember Chiraj से. And I think I've done something कि पीछे चले गए comments. ये क्या कर दिया मैंने? Okay, so I'm gonna sign off. Take care of yourself, and inshallah I'll see you more. I'm gonna be in trouble with Jenny with the coffee spill. Take care. Bye. Take care of yourself.